Question 4 presents these two options you see on the screen. Take a moment to look at how they differ from one another. If you pick option 1 and you won the lottery, the computer draws a ball from the box with 67 red balls and 33 black balls. And if you lost, it draws a ball from the box with 33 red and 67 black balls. If you pick option 2 and you won the lottery, the computer draws a ball from the box with 10 red balls and 90 black balls. And if you lost, it draws a ball from the box with 5 red balls and 95 black balls. Let's now think about what type of information these options can provide. Let's first take option 1. You can expect to see a red ball 50% of the time and a black ball 50% of the time from this option, because half the time the computer will draw a ball from the left box where 67% of the balls are red, and the other half the time the computer will draw a ball from the right box where 33% of the balls are red. So on average, 50% of the time, the computer will draw a red ball from option 1. What does it mean if you see a red or a black ball from option 1? If you see a red ball from option 1, it means that the chances that you won the lottery are higher than 50% because there are many more red balls in the left box than in the right box. In fact, it means that the chances that you won are 67%. If you see a black ball from option 1, it means that the chances that you won the lottery are lower than 50% because there are many more black balls in the right box than there are in the left box. In fact, it means that the chances that you won are 33%. Okay, that was option 1, now let's look at option 2 instead. In option 2, you can expect to see a red ball 7.5% of the time and a black ball 92.5% of the time. When you observe a red ball, it means that your chances of having won are 67% because there are more red balls in the left box than in the right box. When you observe a black ball, it means that your chances of having won are 49% because there are slightly fewer black balls in the left box than in the right box. Looking at these options side by side, we realize that in option 1, you are just as likely to see a red ball as a black ball, but in option 2, you are more likely to see a black ball. In option 1, seeing a black ball means your chances of winning are 33%, and seeing a red ball means that your chances of winning are 67%. In comparison, in option 2, seeing a black ball means that your chances of winning are 49%, and seeing a red ball means your chances of winning are 67%. Please take a moment to compare these two options and think carefully about what kind of information you prefer to get at this time. When the video ends, please click Next to make your choice.